Every nation comes to a World Expo to tell a story. For Singapore, that story is about innovation, connectivity, and global business engagement. At Expo 2025 Osaka, the Singapore Pavilion was more than an exhibition space. It became a platform for strategic business dialogue. But delivering multilingual business events at Singapore's expected standards came with an extraordinary challenge. There were no enclosed conference rooms and no traditional interpretation booths. There was no on-site interpreter space. Expo-wide interpreter shortages were severe. Connectivity was unstable, and traditional simultaneous interpretation models simply did not fit. In close partnership with the Singapore Tourism Board, Green Terp designed a fundamentally different delivery model, a model built specifically for the Expo environment. GT Booth enabled fully remote simultaneous interpretation. SilentCon delivered premium silent conference listening, even in an open and noisy exhibition space. AI-powered live captions expanded accessibility, and Green Terp engineered resilient continuity through multipath audio delivery and backup connectivity.
And now, of course, over here we have all the various what we call social service agencies. I think in some countries we call it non-profit organizations. So in Singapore,
the results were measurable. Approximately 10 live business events, over 1,000 attendees, and more than 30 live event hours. 100% of interpreters were deployed remotely. Compared with conventional delivery models, the Green Terp solution achieved approximately 80% cost savings. Real supplier excellence is proven under pressure. When venue connectivity became unstable, Green Terp's resilient architecture kept multilingual communication running. No event disruption, no interpreter travel, no booth installation, no receiver distribution. Supplier excellence is not simply delivering what is expected. It is solving difficult problems when conventional solutions no longer work. Green Terp technologies, just simpler, smarter delivery.